If you have 2 minutes and are considering repairing your Oscar II, I'll show you how. This is easy, and afterwards you'll be one step closer. Before we start, remember you are responsible for any work you do on your machine. Always unplug it from the mains and make sure it's completely cold before opening or repairing. You only need one Phillips screwdriver. Start by loosening all 6 screws on the top cover. I'll start with the 2 screws in the front. And then the 2 screws in the middle. And last, the 2 screws in the back. Then you can lift the top cover. To get access to all machine parts, remove the 2 side panels. It is only held in place by the 2 Phillips screws shown. Then you can lift the panel away. Then you can do the opposite side. Then you are actually done. If you want more quick and easy repair guides for your espresso machine, don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss the next video. I'll show you exactly how to fix a leak on the Oscar II, and it's a repair every owner needs to know.